searching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I honestly forgot to do a intro, I'm not gonna lie, but in this video, as you guys know by the title, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to my appointments and also to a little outing that I did just for self-care purposes. And yeah, let's just get right into it.
Come outside. I've been staying out the way. Few acts I ain't been straight, but on my mama and my gang, wanna put it in their face. Show 'em I ain't come to play, but I can't come outside. I've been praying for those better days. God knows I'm tryna keep my faith, and I'm so hurt I don't know how to make it go away. Yeah, I've been acting like lame, girl, where you been at? Where the music, don't tell me you said forget that. No, drowning out myself in all this pain. Set up all the dirt that's thrown on my name. Jesus, please, can you feel my knees? Help me heal with these broken wings. Everything ain't always what it seems. Tryna take away this hurt inside of me, 'cause I can't come outside. Can't tell you what it feel like. I've been going through real life. All the crazy shit I seen, it started affecting me. Ain't had a break yet, can't get away. Can't stop overthinking how I get this way. Wanna be confident, stop the room when I'm walking in. Put it all on the line.
So cute, it's the curls for me. Yeah, that looks so pretty.
You got that shit mapped out on the calendar. It's a little bit easier to project. Like, okay,
all right, you guys, we done. I'm gonna go get some food.
Some better pictures in here than me.
Your couch is so cute. So after my hair appointment, I headed to my nail appointment, and today I'm gonna be using Madame Glam's gel polishes for my French tip. I chose the lavender color, and the pigment was really nice. And it also comes with a kit, so if you want to do your nails at home because it gets pricey out here, this is the perfect product for you. I have a discount code in my description, so make sure you guys shop with them. And I also used their top coat, and it made my nails look really nice. Alright, you guys, so I am about to do my makeup because I'm about to go to this Rooftop movie. I'm going by myself. We're gonna see how this goes, but it's like a vibe. It looks like a vibe like online and stuff. I've been wanting to do this for like a really long time. Actually, fun story, I was actually supposed to go on a date here like sometime in like February or March, but he pissed me off, so I blocked him before the date. But anyway, I'm about to do my makeup really fast, and then I'll be back and we're gonna get dressed, or I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. Hold on, y'all. Alright, you guys, so this is what I'm looking like. I don't even have time to put jewelry on or nothing, so I'm just gonna go like this. But I just have these shorts on. They're like yarny, and I'm a little late. It's already 7:30 and the movie starts at 7:30, so I gotta go. But let me show you what shoes I'm wearing. Grab that. Looking good as hell today. Just sent my nigga 5 attachments.
She say I'm a sweet man. She say she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement and we can just be friends, girl? I know you want it.
Y'all, it's literally so cute up here. Like, look. Such a vibe. If you come to Houston or you live in Houston, this is such a good day idea. Like, literally cute as fuck. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know where I'm supposed to go, but no one's here.
I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my end zone. You're the one that's not pretending, cause I'm too good, drink too strong, I too chained, I'm too sprung. Too good, drink too strong, I too chained, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. Yeah. Just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep giving me love. Oh, just keep.
All right, y'all. I just chugged that little liquor thing, the little margarita. That motherfucker had a little kick to it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to go back home looking good as, if I do say so myself. Okay, you guys, so I'm back at home. The place of the movie was called Rooftop Cinema Club. 10 out of 10. They had food, nice seating. It was very comfortable. The views amazing. I love city views. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it was actually next to a Whole Foods, so if you need a grocery shop, there you go. Like, what do you mean? How can you beat that? Yeah, I don't think I ever showed you guys my nails for real. So here they are. They're very light and subtle, but they're so pretty and like girly. Like, I love them. Not too much. I just literally love them. And I think I'm just over the long nails for a while because they just break off. Like, so many of my nails were broken, and we just fought through it today. You know, shout out to Keisha because she did her thing and I was being very difficult. I'm like, I'm not putting my finger in that acetone. And she's like, you have to. I'm like, well, I'm not doing it, so you're gonna have to figure out how to do it. Like, because it was burning. Like, it was burning, and I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm scared, okay? But yeah, the movie's 10 out of 10. I really liked it. The Notebook is one of my all-time favorite movies. You guys, my all-time favorite movie though is 50 First Dates. I never watch that movie unless I'm on a plane. But I usually only fly Delta, and Delta has like 50 First Dates, and baby, I love 50 First Dates. That's my favorite freaking movie. If you have never seen 50 First Dates, I want you to watch it, okay? Watch 50 First Dates, because it's just gonna be like, it's just gonna make you think like, wow, like I'm really accepting bare minimum from these men, because there's dudes out here, even though it was a movie, but it just puts it in perspective. Like, there's dudes out here going up and beyond for their girl, and it's like, I deserve that, like, period. And make sure you guys shop, because they are really, really good. My nail tech really, really liked them. Like, a discount code for you guys in the description. Since we're here, let me show you guys my lip combo. I need to refresh her. Why not? So I use this NK. It's actually an eye pencil. But you know what? Who really uses eye pencils? Like, come on, this is not, it's not your grandma's makeup store. This is Destiny's, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, then this is the color Turkish Delight by NARS. And this is Dior Lip Glow Oil in the color Pink. 001 Pink. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to be fine as fuck. So I don't know, but if you wanna be fine as fuck, that's what you gotta do. So, but anyways, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye. And make sure you subscribe to my channel.